Hi, my name's Pam Doneen, and I just finished week 8 on the Nutrisystem program. And I was going to share with you some of the things that helped me this week and my thought process that helped me out this week. And then maybe that way you could use maybe something similar to help you out with your weight loss or if you're on the Nutrisystem program. So my first thing that I am doing is I am treating this not like a diet. I'm treating it like a lifestyle change. Going forward, when I'm on maintenance, I want this to be a new way of life, a new way of eating. So when I'm at the grocery store, I really look at packages and read the contents. The three things I mainly concentrate on are the calories, grams of protein, and grams of fiber. If they don't fit in the Nutrisystem guidelines, I'm not going to use them in my future. I'm going to stick to the higher fiber and protein content because they keep you fuller. So that's something I'm doing. The other thing that I'm trying to learn is new ways to use vegetables, to add them into my life and my change in life. So I'm always kind of on the lookout to figure out new ways to cook the vegetables, and I wanna enjoy them. I don't want to just have eating a vegetable something that, oh, I should do this because it's good for me. I need to eat vegetables and just really thoroughly enjoy them. So that's something I'm trying to do, is just have lifestyle changes, because really, what would be the point of me doing this eating program and losing weight is if I went off it and I gained it all back. This would be such a waste. So I'm changing my lifestyle. So then the second thing was, I was really sitting on the fence for a long time and really wish that I wouldn't have. I wish I would have done this, 2 or 3 years ago, and I would have felt so much better. But there's always something that comes up. It's like, oh, I'm going on vacation, so I'll start after vacation. Or, oh, I'll do it on my own, which took me like 7 or 8 months to lose 4 pounds on my own. So it was at a snail's pace. So I didn't enjoy that. And then my big thing that almost hung me up, that I almost didn't start, was the holidays were coming. And if I would have waited for after the holidays, I would have waited until after New Year's, because, that's after the holidays. I'm going to be close to done after New Year's. So I am so glad I didn't wait. So, and getting through Thanksgiving, I made it through Thanksgiving just fine. I did a Thanksgiving video on the dinner I used, which I'm going to use it for Christmas because I didn't cheat on Thanksgiving, not planning on cheating at all on Christmas. And besides which, it isn't all about the food. It's about your loved ones, your family, your friends. So yeah, it's fun to have good food when everyone else is, but you can alter it a little bit. And I would rather feel really good about my health and my weight on a daily basis than to eat a piece of pumpkin pie or a plate of cookies that is like just an instant thing and then it's gone. So one of the things I did is I kind of experimented and made a dessert that would work for, the holidays or a birthday, or if you're doing some kind of a family celebration. So I will show you the dessert I came up with. I did show it in a past video, so sorry you're seeing it again. But I just want to show you this dessert and see what you think. If you're watching this video right now, it means it turned out. So what I'm doing is I took 4 containers of lime yogurt, this Greek key lime, the Dannon Fit and Light. It's only 80 calories with 12 grams of protein. So I took 4 containers of that, put it in a big bowl here. And then I took 2 containers of the sugar-free Jell-O. I would have used 1 large container, but I couldn't find a large one, so I just got 2 small ones. And I'm gonna use only a half a cup of boiling water total. Even though each of these packets call for 2 cups of water. It says 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of cold water per packet, but I'm only gonna do a half a cup of boiling water total. And then I'm gonna mix that here, and then I'm gonna fold it into the yogurt. Then I'm gonna put it into this pie plate, which I did spray it with cooking spray, because then that way, you know, chances it won't stick. And then I'm gonna top it with this fat-free whipped topping. And for our 2 tablespoons is 20 calories. So, you know, I probably would do 4 tablespoons and count it as a extra, even though an extra is only 35 calories. It's like, okay, 5 calories extra for a dessert. I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, and I can do lower on an extra on one of my other extras. So anyway, let me see if this works out. I'm gonna fold it together and I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm so excited. This turned out. This is a perfect dessert, and it's a 1/4 of a pie. That is a huge piece. And what I put on top was 4 tablespoons is 40 calories. So I measured out a 1/4 of a cup, because that's 4 tablespoons, and took a little bit out so that it would be 35 calories, because I didn't want to do any cheating with the extra calories for the extra. And this is the perfect dessert to go with any celebration, birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, you know, any celebration. And it's 1 power fuel and 1 extra. And, you know, the celebration is about being together with those that you love. By having a different dessert doesn't change the celebration in any way. Yes, it's fun to enjoy dessert. That's why I wanted to come up with something that's still really good to eat. But by staying on plan, you will feel better about yourself. Plus, and this is a huge plus, if you stay healthy, you will be around for so many more celebrations. So you know what? Let me do the taste test and see how this is. Okay, yeah, I can eat that. In fact, I'm not hungry yet, but that's going to be my next power fuel. So I'm not claiming that that is like a top-notch gooey dessert, but it allows you to join in a celebration where there's a dessert, like a birthday party or Thanksgiving or Christmas dinners, you know, whatever, a 4th of July barbecue, you could have that. And it's really a decent dessert. And the cool thing is, it's only 1 power fuel and 1 extra. But you have all your other food that you can eat. And my husband loves it. He ate 2 pieces like right away and said it was really good. So he passed the taste test. But anyway, so that's something you can do. The other thing that I do is I really allow myself to enjoy the guilty pleasures that are on plan. So twice a week, I can have 4 ounces of wine. And I really like wine. So when I have my 4 ounces of wine, I just really enjoy it. I don't have it with anything else. I just have the glass of wine and I sip my glass of wine and really enjoy it. Same thing with my snack. I always wait till the house is quiet. I'm usually the only one up. And then I go and pick out, what do I want tonight? What guilty pleasure do I want? You know, is it chocolate pretzels or some kind of cookies? Or, you know, so anyway, I pick that snack and I sit quietly in my house, in my rocking chair, and eat that snack and really enjoy it. So, and they're on plan, but I enjoy them. So anyway, let's go take a look at my results for the week and see how I did.
Okay, let's see how today goes. Week 8, 128.4. That is 0.4 pounds.
So I lost 0.4 pounds. I'm so close to the 10-pound mark. It's 0.2 pounds more and it would have been 10 pounds even. So anyway, so close. So hopefully this week I can at least lose 0.2 so I can get to the 10-pound mark. So I'll give you my rundown of how my weeks went. So week 1, I lost 3 pounds. Week 2, 1 pound. Week 3, 2.4 pounds. Week 4, 0. Week 5, 0.8. Week 6, 1.2. Week 7, 1. And now week 8, 0.4. So a grand total of 9.8 pounds. 0.2 more and it'll be at the 10-pound marker. So I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, I'm still feeling great. My energy has not dropped. I'm not bored with the program. There's just so many things you can do with the food, and their food tastes good. And by adding in grocery items, you can change it up a whole bunch. And so plugging along and enjoying it. So all's good. So anyway, again, if you could do the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, I would love it. So anyway, again, thank you so much for joining me. Have an amazing week. I do appreciate you.